Alright, so these are in slope-intercept form, which means they give you the slope, m, and the y-intercept, b. First one has a slope of -1 over 1. Okay, there's no number in front of x, so it's a 1. Anytime you have an integer, put it over 1. Y-intercept is -3. So since the y-intercept is -3, that's where we'll start. Going up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. I'm just going to go ahead and call that, well, let's go ahead and make our beautiful dashed line. Why not? Okay. Greater than says we will shade above. All right, next one. Slope is 4 over 1. Y-intercept is -5. So we'll start at -5. We'll go up 4 and over 1. We'll go up 4, over 1. We'll go up. Oh, can't go up 4 anymore. So we're done there. Looks like a solid line this time because it's got the equal to. There's my solid line. It's greater than again, so we're going to shade above the line. So here's the line. We're going to shade above it. That's above the line. And we're done. Looks like I gave you all greater than symbols. So let's just talk about what would happen if it was less than. Slope here is 1 over 1. No number in front of x. So it's 1. Integers. Put them over 1. Y-intercept is -2. We're going up 1 over 1. Greater than. Okay, if it was less than, what do we do? Well, we would just shade down here. Okay, less than, shade below the line, greater than, shade above the line. Last one on this page, we've got greater than or equal to a y-intercept of 5. And we're going down 3 over 5. Want to make sure you have a negative slope going down and to the right. Positive slope goes up and to the right. Looks like a solid line. And greater than tells us to shade above. Ta-da. Okay, remember your slope was 3 over 5, -3 over 5. Top number is your rise. Bottom number is your run. So the top number tells you how much to go up or down. Bottom number tells you how much to go left or right. You just want to make sure that at the end, positive slope goes this way, negative slope goes the other way. All right, let's go ahead and finish up. Okay, we're just checking to see if these are solutions. So 2 plus 2 times 1 Is that greater than 4? Is 2 plus 2 greater than 4? No, it is not. Is 0 greater than or equal to 4 times 0 minus 3? 3. Well, 0 minus 3 is negative 3, so 0 is in fact greater than or equal to negative 3. Yes, it is. Now some Mr. Korth trickery. I moved where the yes and no was. 2 plus 4 less than 7. Is 6 less than 7? Yes, it is. All right, we got 4 more problems to get to. All right, so first of all, the current slope is negative 1, which means the parallel slope is also negative 1 because parallel slopes are the same. Now we're going to use this new point, y minus negative 3 equals parallel slope times x minus 3. Okay, that's y minus the y value. Y minus the y value equals the slope times x minus x value. All right. It says slope-intercept form, so we do need to simplify. Y plus 3 equals negative x plus 3. Subtract 3 on both sides. Y equals negative x. Done. That line is going to be parallel to y equals negative x minus 2. It's got the same slope, and it's also going to go through the point 3, negative 3. Currently, the slope is negative 9 over 2. The parallel slope is going to be negative 9 over 2. Y minus the y value equals the slope, the parallel slope, times x minus the x value. Y plus 5 equals negative 9 over 2x plus 9. Subtract 5. And y equals negative 9 over 2x plus 4. Last two here. Perpendicular slope has to be opposite. Meaning positive becomes negative and vice versa. And reciprocal. That means to flip the fraction. So 2 over 1 becomes 1 over 2. So we're looking for opposite reciprocal slope. So currently the slope is 2 over 7. My perpendicular slope is going to be negative 7 over 2. Y minus negative 4 equals perpendicular slope. Don't use the original slope. Times x minus negative 3. That's going to be fun. So y plus 4 equals negative 7 over 2 times x plus 3. y plus 4 equals negative 7 over 2x. Minus 21 over 2. Subtract 4 on both sides. Y equals negative 7 over 2x minus 29 over 2. Okay. 21 over 2. Negative 21 over 2 minus 4, which is the same as 8 over 2. So that's 29 over 2. Let's see how they gave their answer down here. Yeah, they did 29 over 2 as well. Fractions are fun. All right, last one and we're done. So current slope, negative 3, perpendicular slope, positive 1 over 3, y minus 3, negative 3 equals 1/3 times x minus negative 3. Y plus 3 equals 1/3 x plus 1. Subtract 3. Y equals 1 over 3x minus 2. We made it. Congratulations.